Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today's video is about how men should level up. But I mean, why shouldn't men level up? Just because they are men, they don't qualify, therefore they don't qualify for leveling up? Of course they do. So you're very welcome, whether you are a gentleman watching this, or you're watching for your husband, you're watching for your brothers, you're watching for your boyfriend, or you're watching for your colleagues, male colleagues, whoever you're watching for, to pass on the message or share the video, you are very welcome. I'm Nicole and I'm so excited to share again on this interesting topic. So men should level up the same way as women should level up. If you haven't yet, please check out my previous video on how women should level up. If your wife is struggling with leveling up, please do share the video with her or ask her to have a look on that video. It's gonna help her, it's gonna help you as a woman, it's gonna help your sisters, your daughters, your friends, any other female person that you know in life is struggling or needs to level up. So back to this video. Today it's about men, how men should level up. Men, like I said, like women, are also required to add extra effort onto their appearance. It's very sad to see there are women trying to level up, trying to join the club, trying to upgrade their standard and all of that, but they are actually men who do not. And here in this channel, we treat people with fairness. So if women are required to level up, to upgrade their standards, so are men. So yes, as a man, you are required to level up. It doesn't matter if you are 20, you are 25, 30, 40 or 50. As long as you are a human being who needs to put a little bit of extra effort onto your appearance, it's very important. It is important. Why? Because when people look at us, the first thing they see is how we look. Before they could hear Nicole's voice, they first see Nicole. When they look at me, they check my hair. Is it done? They check my skin. Does she have scars? Does she have acne? They check my clothes. Are they dirty? Do they look cheap? Does this color blend with her skin? They check all of that. Then they check my nails. Are my nails done? They check all of that within seconds. This is how fast our brain cells are, our brains are. So this is the same with a man. Someone like me, honestly, I will be honest with you. When I look at a man, not in the wrong way, of course. Guilt is not charged at all. Obviously, I will also check all of that. First thing first, I'll check the eyebrows. I know it sounds weird, but this is how I am. I check people's eyebrows like, yo, I don't know, maybe because I don't have so much eyebrows. Or I just like doing eyebrows. Or I like seeing people's eyebrows done. I think the third is the truth. I like seeing people's eyebrows done. I have this girl who sent me a post one day. She said on the post, oh, so you're looking at me, I think you're looking at me, but in your mind you're busy doing my eyebrows. She literally killed me. I'm like, I'm not doing your eyebrows in my mind. I just like to see people's eyebrows done. So if I look at you as a gentleman, I'm probably going to look at your eyebrows. I want to see if you clean shaven, if your eyebrows are done, if you look clean. For me, it's very important for a man to look clean. I really put an accent to that. If I have, I'm not saying I do, if I have criteria in terms of dating, being clean, it's one of the top. It's one of the top. A man who is clean is always attractive to me. I don't know. When you are clean, it's beautiful. But when you are not clean, when, you know, we're going to get to that soon here. I'm struggling. I was struggling a lot. And I won't probably not be able to close the deal. That sounds professional. Relax. So let's get back to our topic as a set. So it's very important as gentlemen that we put extra effort on how we look. You can't be a young man and then you have hair on your ears, it doesn't look nice. Whenever you have hairs on your ears, you look old. I noticed as a therapist, I really noticed that whenever clients comes for hair removal, and when you take off hair from the nasal area, you remove hair from here as well as from the ears, they look younger. But you see, you are 32, 35, 37, 40, you have lots of hair here. Go for a wax, because you can't literally shave from your nasal, I was going to say nasal cavity. You can't really shave from your nasal area. But if you go to a beauty salon, they will put the small spatula with wax, they will insert it inside and they'll just pull it out. They will remove all the hair inside. So you're going to look younger. There's no hair here, no hair on your ears. You're also going to look like young. Yeah, you need to. So when you put extra effort onto your appearance, you look young. This is when I talk about beards. Our first point today is going to be about hair. So yes, I think as gentlemen, we're gonna try to remove hair. I know some people prefer hair, some people don't prefer hair, and I do respect that. But I just want to talk about general, like pubic area, like underarms. You can't be keeping those hair. Why? Because when we sweat, sweat, in the sweat there's a salt, there's bacteria, there's all kinds of dirty stuff that our body releases when we sweat. So when we sweat, if you have a lots of hair under your arms, they will actually stay. Why will I have to show my arms? Sorry, they will actually have to stay there. And when we sweat, when those sweat glands release the sweat, they'll just stick onto it. And if you work hard, if you are busy all day, imagine how many of those sweats, of those bacteria and dirt and debris you're gonna keep actually under your arm. This is a lot. It's the same with the pubic area. When you remove hair on your pubic area, it's definitely makes a change. You look clean. You just look classy. It's great. If you're struggling to shave, yes, I've had many clients who comes to me for shaving, because they're struggling to shave. It's normal. You can go to your local beauty salon. There has to be a beauty salon in your area. Make an appointment for hair removal. They will definitely remove your hair. If you don't like shaving, you can go for waxing. It's the same. Because both it's a hair removal method. But the difference is with waxing, we remove hair from the roots. So yeah, shaving, we remove hair from the surface. But either way, you just get to remove hair. If you're struggling with waxing, it's too painful. I get it. I don't even wax my own pubic area, whatever, because I find it painful. So it's normal. You can go for laser removal. Some people find it less painful or less invasive or more invasive. It depends. But you're gonna have to figure out which hair removal method that works for you, that you can consider. Let's talk about beard. For instance, when I'm in contact, let's say I have to kiss a brother on the cheek. Let's keep it civil. And a brother of mine has hair. I can't, because those hair will we start pinching, and then it just makes me uncomfortable. I like everything removed, clean shaven. But there are ladies who likes beards. They like it even long, like a I was gonna say God. It's not offensive. Back when I was born, when you have like long beards, they will say it's like a god. Sorry, forget that stupid joke. So yes, some people like it clean shaven. Some people like it hairy. So it's all about people's preference. But if you are in a relationship, you're gonna have to also communicate with your partner. What does she like? Does she like you to have beard on? Does she like you to go for hair removal? You're gonna communicate with that. And if you're struggling with ingrown hair after shaving, whether it's your underarms, pubic area, or your beards, you're struggling with ingrown hair, you can always try waxing. Waxing will remove hair from the roots, so there's less chance for ingrown hair, and it also helps with hyperpigmentation. If you're still struggling with waxing, you can go for hair removal or laser. Doesn't take so many sessions. Like few sessions, you should be able to see the difference. Otherwise, you can consider hair removal cream. If you don't know which cream to pick, no problem, just let me know. I'm probably gonna post a picture and the product that you can have, because in the past I also struggled with ingrown hair. I have a sensitive skin, but then I kept on trying until I found a product that works wonderful for me. Nowadays, I don't even care whether I go for laser, whether I go for waxing, whatever I consider for my hair removal, I know that cream has my back. So yes, ingrown hair cannot be a reason for you to say, I will not go for hair removal. I'm gonna lay my underarm hair grow like a bush. I'm gonna lay hair on my pubic area grow like a bush. I'm gonna lay my beard grow like a goat, because I am struggling with ingrown hair. Doesn't have to be like that. You're gonna have to put a little bit extra effort to look young. You have hair in your nasal area, go for waxing. They will remove them. Hair on your ears, they will remove them. You have this long eyebrows, hair that grew on your, get them trimmed. You don't know how to trim, go to a beauty salon, get a therapist, a professional to do it for you. Okay, whatever you do, make sure you look as a classy man, you look up to the standard, and that's very good. Besides that, the hair, there are also men who don't shampoo and condition their hair. No, don't say because I'm a man I can't shampoo and condition. No, you're gonna have shampoo and condition when you shower in the morning or at night before you go to bed. You want to put some shampoo and condition and wash your hair. So some men leave actually the hair to grow very long, so that's another reason. If you don't shampoo and condition regularly, don't think because you're a man you won't get dandruff, or you won't get bacteria, you won't develop bacteria or fungus infection on your scalp. No, you can and you will. So you're gonna have to maintain yourself. And if you are already infected with fungus or bacteria infection, I would encourage you to actually go see a dermatologist or a skin therapist. They will prescribe some product that will help you to treat your scalp, to kill those fungus, those bacteria, that are causing that itch or dandruff or wounds or open skin. So all of that is happening on your scalp. Don't say I'm not gonna go because I'm a man. No, you should always go. And another thing is when we treat our hair, we look much better. We really looks much better. It doesn't matter if you're a man or transgender or whatever you choose for your life. Just make sure your hair is clean. And when men cut hair, it just looks nicer and it's easy for you to maintain. You don't have to leave it long as if you have problems. Even if you're going through a divorce, even if you have lost your job or you lost your company, you're going through some financial challenges, it's normal, it's human. You don't have to leave your body looks like some old man because you're getting your divorce and your wife is sucking you dry, or you lost your company, or your investors have left your business. You don't even know how to sort out the problem. I know you have problems, I do, we all do, but it's our responsibility to make sure that we keep ourselves classy, up to the standard, and we continue to level up. So it's very important we look after every single hair in our body, on our head, on the arm, pubic area, whatever you look after. And another thing, you see men that are hairy or very hairy. You see there are lots of hair on the legs, lots of hair on the arms. You can have hair on your arms and legs if you like them, or if your partner likes them. It's all depends on you. But when it's pretty obvious, let's say you decide to go to the beach, or you decide to wear shorts, or maybe jog in the area, and you can see you are extremely hairy to the point it attracts those bad eyes. You may want to trim it a little bit. If you don't want to go for waxing, it's too painful, I get it. You don't like shaving, or you don't want to go for laser hair removal, it's fine, but just trying to trim it. Do whatever you can so you can stay clean and fresh, well maintained. And if you don't do any of these things, I'm really inviting you, gentlemen, to consider to level up, and I think it's going to help you a lot. I will be proud of you once you level up and join the club. Let's get to the second point. So the second point we're going to talk about, it's about underwear. Men's underwear is a struggle. No, don't say, Nicole, no, it is a struggle. I have brothers. I know I don't live with a man so far, but I do have brothers. and I've lived in many houses, so I got to learn, I got to see a lot. So yes, it's a struggle. It is a struggle. Okay. If you can put petrol in the car, okay, if you can buy a meal, if you can buy a beer, it means you can afford underwear. What's wrong? What's wrong with you? Why don't you get to change your underwear? Do I really have to talk about this? Now you're making it my business. I hope you're not too mad. You can be mad just a little bit. So this one has no filter. There's a girl who was telling me on Sunday. She said, Nicole, you have filter when you choose to have filter. But they tell me you don't choose to have filter. I'm like, that's not true. I do have filter. So yes, you enter some bedrooms that are owned by gentlemen. You saw his underwear is. Do men wear panty? I don't know, but you know what I mean. The shorts, you sit on the bed. You see the vest on the chair. Everything is everywhere. You can't be living like that. Even if you are a man, it's not the perfect excuse for you to actually put everything everywhere in the bedroom. You're gonna become organized. There has to be a basket in the bedroom or in your closet that is meant to keep dirty underwear and clothes. You can't put dirty clothes on the bed. You can't put them on the couch. You can't put them everywhere. The best place is the washing machine. If the washing machine is busy, which is normal, you put them inside of one basket. Be organized, gentlemen. It's going to help you a lot. It's just fortunate for some of our gentlemen who do have this disorganized habit that they fall between the hands of women who are also disorganized. So they make the perfect couple, the perfect match. But let's say you fall between the hands of a woman who is clean and organized. It's not going to work, because she will be putting your shoes where they should be, underwear where they should be, clothes where they should be, and you'll be complaining all the time. And if you don't want to adjust to the change, if you don't want to level up, it's always going to clash and create problems. So gentlemen, get yourself new underwear. You see gentlemen wearing beautiful t-shirts and suits and shoes, but when you look at his underwear, you don't even understand this man makes money. You don't get it. You don't even understand. How could you wear something like that? No, seriously, how could you? You have money for suit, for t-shirt, for petrol, for gas in your car, for you to take a lady out, for lunch for yourself, for a beer, but you don't have money for underwear? Seriously? No, you're gonna get yourself new underwear. I have prescribed in 3 months. Every 3 months, us ladies must get new panties. I'm prescribing the same thing for gentlemen. Every 3 months, gentlemen, let's get us new underwear. If you are too lazy or too busy, it's okay. Your wife can go shop for you. Your girlfriend can go shop for you. You don't have a wife, you don't have a girlfriend, it's fine. You can go yourself and shop for you. You are young, you're probably 20, living in your parents' house with your sisters. They can go shop for you. You don't have any of that, you live alone, that's fine. When you are off or when you have time, please go to the local store, get yourself underwear, get yourself new shorts. When you wear your shirt, it has to be clean, of good quality, smell nice, up to the standard. If you don't do any of this, I'm inviting you to join the club. I'm inviting you to level up. Today, what you're going to do for me, what you're going to do for Nicole, whether you don't know me or whether you know me or not, it's okay. I don't mind. But you're going to have to do something for me. Oh, no, that's one I mind. I really mind. So you're going to go to your closet or to your wardrobe, but whatever it is in your bedroom, you go. You take all your underwear, you put it on the bed, you start digging. Remove for me. Take away all the dirty one, all the torn, those one that has holes, those one that have holes, those one that are ugly, that are torn, that are damaged. Remove them for me. Put them in the bin or burn them or send them to charity. No. Clothes you're going to send to charity, but underwear, you just throw them away. I don't want another person to think that you think less of them for giving away something like that. Remove all those ugly underwear for me. Put them in the bin. Even if it's one, leave one. Even if it's two, leave two. Okay? And if you have money, tomorrow or next weekend when you have time, please go to the local store where you live, whatever city, country, community you are. Purchase a new one. Purchase a pack. These the men's shorts or underwear, they usually come like in a pack of 3 or 5. You can purchase a pack or 1 or 2. It depends on your budget or pocket. How much can you afford? If you can afford 1, it's fine. I don't have a problem. If you can afford 2, I don't have a problem. But I do have a problem if tomorrow or tonight or after watching this video, you are not going into your drawer to dig and remove those ugly, damaged and old and dirty underwear for me and put them in the bin. I do have a problem. Or when you don't do that, just know I'm very unhappy where I am. And yeah, I am very unhappy. That's why my eyes are not stable. I'm serious, okay? Remove those old underwears, put them in the bin for me. Next time you have time, go purchase clean ones. And I know this video is meant for gentlemen, but let me talk about ladies. There's another thing I don't get. You have your partner. He gives you pocket money or an allowance, whatever deal you guys choose for yourself. You go shop your underwear, you go shop clothes for yourself. Sometimes even for the kids. Why don't you buy underwear for your husband? Why don't you buy underwear for your boyfriend? You pick your underwear, you pick the children underwear, but you can't pick for him. So because he makes money for the whole family, he's supposed to be buying his own underwear. I don't get it. I know this video is meant for gentlemen, but there will be wives and girlfriends and female watching this video. But if you are someone's wife, someone's girlfriend, someone's sister, you're going to think about your brother. You have to think about your father. You have to think about your husband, your boyfriend. Make sure you go in his drawers. Dig. Find those dirty, ugly, torn underwear. Remove them for me. Put them in the bin. Tomorrow when you guys go shopping, or next weekend or next month, whenever you have time and the means, pick new ones and replace. And I will be so proud of you. Okay? So yes, please, gentlemen, let's level up. You can't be wearing ugly underwear in the inside, and outside you have expensive sneakers, expensive suit and t-shirt. This is not how it works. It must start from the inside, and outside is simply the reflection of what's going on inside. You will see a great man, but go in his drawer to check his underwear. Despicable. What's going on? So let's try to add a little bit of effort in terms of how we look in the inside as well. Because we can't neglect the inside and then put extra effort on the outside. It doesn't work like that. Both sides. When we put extra effort inside, we must also put extra effort outside to make it more balanced. Okay? Things has to be balanced. So yes, please do that exercise for me after watching this video. I really need you to do that. Once you've done it, then we can move to the second point. Are you excited to know what comes next? I am. So let's get to it. The next point is hygiene. Yeah. Let's talk about men hygiene. Oh my God. Honestly, I don't know where to start, but I'm going to have to start somewhere. I will have to learn some other places. It's very important that, gentlemen, that you understand with me how important it is for you to be hygienic, for you to be clean, for you to smell nice, for you to deliver a nice, fresh odor wherever you are. It's very important for us to understand that, especially for you to understand that. So yes, where should we start? Shower, bath. How many times do you wash yourself every single day? They say, or we can say, once per day. So you can't be cheating on it. I've seen men you can see at work, or I work in so many places, or in the neighborhood. You can just see this man hasn't showered. There's so men like that. They get up in the morning, brush their teeth, out. Doesn't shower. So if you choose not to shower, which I don't have a problem because you don't have time, it happens to many people, to all of us. So wash your face. You can't be coming to work, you can't be coming to class, you can't be coming out of your house with stuff in your eyes that literally show you did not shower. There's a stuff on the corner, there's probably saliva here, there's stuff going on in your face that show you have no business to do with the bathroom in the morning. Gentlemen, when you choose to level up, you can't sneak out of, you can't leave your house with things that show you didn't shower. You look at his hair, you can literally see it doesn't comb his hair. He didn't comb it. But then he's smelling nice. You know why he's smelling nice? The perfume. You don't shower, you don't clean your face, but you put an expensive perfume to lie to all of us that you visited the bathroom when you did not visit the bathroom. You had nothing to do with the bathroom at all. That's not cool. When you are doing things like that, you are actually going against the principle of leveling up. So today I would like to invite us gentlemen to actually consider to level up. When you choose to level up, you will try your best to shower in the morning. If you can't make it because you are busy or it's extremely cold like in winter time, you may want to take a serviette, put it water, you wipe your body, you wipe your underarm, you wipe your genital, you wipe between your bum. You make sure you clean that with a nice soap and all of that. You wash your face at least with water. Just wipe it with a towel so you can look fresh and smell nice. When you lift your hands, some people may not lift up their mask because there's a bad smell coming out of your underarm. No, we don't want that. Come on, join the club. Smell nice. Smell nice. Wash yourself. Just smell fresh. So it's very important. So besides the showering, we talked about hair removal. You know what to do. We talked about underwear. So you can't be wearing the same underwear every single day. Women wear panty once per day. Some women are clean. They wear twice per day. Some even 3 times, especially when they have the menses. They will probably go 3 times changing panties in a day. So why can men do the same thing? If women are changing twice, when she had a bath in the morning and when she's having a shower or a bath in the evening before going to bed, she has to put on a nice new fresh panty on. Why can't you do the same? So the least amount of underwear to wear per day for men is 1, the least amount. So you go for 2, that would be great. So what you wore in the morning, when you return from work, you're going to have to remove that one. You shower, you put a new one. Some men go to bed without having a shower. I mean, seriously, you work the whole day. Why are even women allowing men to get into the bed without shower? Before you get to my bed, I have to check. I do check. I'm like, I don't think you clean. You're not welcome here. Please visit the bathroom before you get to my bed. Relax. Nobody gets to my bed. Okay? Nobody unauthorized. Nobody unauthorized. Nobody at all. Anyway, get to my bed. But if I have to have a guest, I'm saying if. I'm not saying I'm having a guest. So please check my English. If I'm having a guest, I have the responsibility to check. You know, today, if I start living with someone, sharing my bedroom with someone, I will definitely have to check him every night before he gets to my. Did he visit the bathroom? Is he smelling nice? Did he change the clothes? I'm gonna have to make sure you are clean. Unless you are top on clean, then I don't have to worry about anything. But if you are giving me a reason to worry about you being clean, then you're giving me a job to check if you did visit the bathroom before you get to my bed. And if you haven't, then it's gonna not gonna be cool because my beddings are white, so you can't sweat the whole day and jump, because I will know, because it's gonna stain. It's gonna show someone has been sweating the whole day, did not visit the bathroom, and now my bedding is just accusing you to me like the body is full of sweat, it's dirty. So please, before we get to bed, gentlemen, visit the bathroom, go to bed fresh and clean, and smell nice, and it's gonna be great. So you shower and everything, you put some, spray or deodorant, perfume, whatever you call it, you put a new fresh underwear or nightgown, you jump to bed as a clean man. This is how we level up. So it's very important. So you don't have to wait for your wife or your girlfriend to clean your underwear. You can clean them. You're coming from, I don't know, work or school or playing, or you're coming from the gym or playing soccer or playing basketball, whatever sport you do or activity, you sweat. Take your underwear to the washing machine. If it's busy, wash them, hand wash your own underwear or soak them in water. You see, be able to look after yourself. You're a grown woman. Sorry, you're a grown man. You don't have to be treated like a boy that is 5-6 years old whose mom has to come all the time to fetch his laundry or underwear from his bedroom so she can wash them. No, you're grown, you can wash your own underwear. It's all about being willing to be clean, being willing to be a man who has leveled up in life, being able to smell nice. So yes, it's very important that we check on our hygiene. So yes, oral hygiene is very important. You don't want to be one of those men when you speak your tongue is smelling. I don't know if I don't know, but most of people, all of us, when we wake up in the morning, even if you brush your teeth and you wash your tongue before you go to bed, you will still notice that there's a smell coming. So the first thing first, you jump into the bathroom, you wash your mouth. So don't be that person when you speak, you know, your tongue has a bad smell, your teeth has a, no. Oral hygiene is very important. Get yourself some Listerine, get yourself some toothpaste, get yourself some frosting, you know, cleaning between your teeth. And it's very important. Another thing I would suggest is that you go for, well, I went last year to the dentist. I went for a cleaning. So you go, the dentist will perform a cleaning. They call it cleaning, polishing, and mild whitening. But I didn't experience really any whitening, but I did experience the cleaning and polishing. So every 6 months, we are required, as both women and men, to go for a cleaning to the dentist, and you go for cleaning, polishing, and mild whitening. You can just go for a cleaning, is fine, or cleaning and polishing. So I will recommend, gentlemen, that you spend a lot on your family, on your wife and children, maybe on your girlfriend, or you spend a lot on your family. But it's also sometimes important that you invest in yourself. You book yourself to the dentist, you go for a cleaning. They will do a deep clean of your teeth. You know, you go to the pharmacy, you get yourself some nice products for your personal hygiene. You get yourself new underwear, you make sure you remove your hair, you make sure you smell nice, you get yourself some nice spray deodorant to keep yourself fresh and well maintained. And if you are not yet doing any of those things, you really have a need to join the club. You need to start leveling up. You need to start washing twice per day, changing your underwear, removing your hair where you're supposed to remove them, smelling nice, investing in your hygiene as a gentleman of class and success should look like. So yes, let's get to the next point.